don't have to wait. You know my name. Sunshine and rain, some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were young, girl. Innocent in our ways, we were done, girl.
So today, I'm going to clean this Alfa Romero interior with this new Adams Polishes leather and interior cleaner. I'm going to be using my scrub brush, mostly for the door panels and the leather seats. My regular brush just for any of the little areas that I can't reach. I'm going to be using my drill brush for the carpets. And of course, I got the Rag Company's all-purpose towels. These are the best to wipe off any residue. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by vacuuming the inside of my car. I'm going to deep clean those carpets, leather seats, door panels, and the center console. So let's get into it. When cleaning the carpets, you want to make sure you put enough product on the carpet and on the drill brush. This will allow the product to foam up when agitated. Spray a small amount of product onto the door panels. Grab that small bristle brush and start agitating the solution. This will allow the product to foam up.
Say klinnyroyce, bitch.
This product is very easy to work with. Just agitate it and then simply just take a microfiber towel and wipe it right off. No streaks, no residue left behind. When cleaning your steering wheel, you want to make sure you don't saturate your electronics. You can take the brush and you can agitate the solution over them, but just don't directly spray onto them. Adams leather and interior cleaner does not tell me I could put this on a navigation screen, so I used a different product. When cleaning the center console, make sure to take your time. There's a lot of complex areas that could be missed. So this product, you don't have to use a brush to agitate. You could use a microfiber towel and just wipe on and wipe off. When cleaning your leather seats, a little product goes a long way. Just agitate around all the corners, nooks and crannies, and make sure to wipe off when you're done.
This product will remove any body oils on the surface of your seat. It is a very good finish afterwards. It keeps it OEM and it has no sheen or shine to it.
One of the advantages of Adams Polish's leather and interior cleaner is it leaves behind a UV protection. I would have to say I am very impressed with Adams leather and interior cleaner. It was very easy and effective to use when cleaning this car's interior. I really like the way it easily removes any dirt and grime that are clinging onto the surface. The product is very easy to work with and leaves no streaks when wiping. This product will definitely be my go-to for any interior cleaning projects in the future. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.